Hello everybody, welcome. On this video I'm gonna talk about something in Excel, not from Excel, and it's a continuation of my videos for VLOOKUP. So I'm doing a video about working with lookups, VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, and this is the second video, and then I'm going to show you how to remove the not found icon when you try to make a VLOOKUP and it doesn't work. Okay, so here I have a list all the way from here, and I want to search for something, so I would go equals to, and you would write VLOOKUP. Okay, and then you want to go, let's say I want to search for net profits. Okay, and as you can see, net profit does not exist on my table. I'm gonna separate my parameters with a comma. Please insert a comma, not a semi-comma. And then I'm gonna say my table will be A and B, columns A and B. And now I'm gonna choose the values from the second column because I'm gonna search on the first, but I want to return the value from the second. So I'm gonna click 2, and then I'm gonna write comma again. You should write comma, okay, not semi-comma, because my Excel is in Portuguese. And then you're gonna choose 0 because you want the exactly match, which you're gonna be used for the most time. Okay, let me just change this because you're gonna write VLOOKUP, but in my case it's PROCV because my Excel is in Portuguese. And then you're gonna search for it, and it's gonna return this symbol here. I think for you it's gonna return n/a. Okay, in Portuguese returns n/d. And now I'm going to show you how to remove this. If it doesn't find the VLOOKUP, it's going to return 0 or nothing, or it doesn't exist. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to copy this VLOOKUP here. I'm going to write VLOOKUP so you know how to write this. So you're going to see yours like this. Okay, then I'm going to insert a if. Okay, then I'm going to insert is errors, and then I'm going to ask if this PROCV, this VLOOKUP, is an error. So I'm going to I'm asking, is this an error? If it is an error, I'm sorry about this. If it is an error, I'm going to return it doesn't exist. Okay. And if it's not an error, I'm going to execute the VLOOKUP again. Now I need to close the parentheses here. I got one VLOOKUP for is error. I need to close this. If it's an error, then it's gonna return this. Then I need to close the if statements. And I think that's going to work. Okay, so I forgot to close my quotes here. So there you go. Just substitute all the semicolons per column, okay? Because this is the separator in Brazil, and this PROCV here you should read VLOOKUP like this. So this is what you want, okay? Now I'm gonna make this to work in Brazil. So I'm gonna comment this, and I'm gonna try to make the formula in Portuguese the same way that I did, just to make sure that everything's correct. So I got this here, then I'm going to close this and close that. Then I'm gonna say it does not exist. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna close that. Probably wrong. Probably something wrong. Let me just make sure everything's correct. No, I don't think so. Okay, let me just compare this. This is the hard time to compare the parentheses. Oh, it's an error. Let me just see this. This close with that and close with the. I don't think they have this parenthesis here, and I think I should make another one over here. So I got it's correct, and it's a little bit like this, then I would go like this, and it does not exist. So I gotta fix this. I have a parenthesis that I need to close here, and another one here. Let me just check. Yes, no, it's not corrected in still. I need to erase one of these parentheses here, and there you go. So the one above this one here, that's going to work out for you in Excel in English. Okay, so since it didn't find it, it returned it does not exist. If I want to return 0, if I didn't find, I just change this for 0. Okay, it doesn't have to be in between quotations, and now I've returned 0 if I don't find. And if I wanted to return nothing, I would go quotation marks, quotation marks. Now I have a string that is empty here, right there. So now if it doesn't find, it's going to return nothing. That's what it did. Okay, so you can get this code. You can download the spreadsheet on my site. I'm gonna leave the link for you on my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe my channel, like my site, subscribe my site, and be a part of my videos. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please go to my website and post something that I will be very happy to make a video for you. Thank you. See you next time. Hi, I need to correct something here. It doesn't exist. This S here is just easy error. Okay, so just correcting this video. Thank you.